Everyone, welcome back to my channel. Miss Silver here, and today I'm going to teach you guys how to do this really cute updo. I call it the English Princess Updo. It's really cute, so let's not buzz around and get started. So before we start styling, it's always recommended to use a heat protectant. I'm going to be using the heat protectant from Ca. Really like this one, super cute, has a little bit of gloss and a little bit of shimmer. Then I'm going to take the Fructis Slick and Shine Anti-Freeze Serum, which is also really good and very affordable. You can pick it up on Amazon. And I'm going to go ahead and lather the hair. Of course, I'm not going to stop on the crowning. I'm not going to start on the crowning area. I'm going to start from the sides and then on the top part. Then I'm going to start with my sectioning. I'm going to make two parts behind the ears and begin to part from the bottom part. For this hairstyle, I'm going to be using the Hot Tools from Ca, very also affordable on Amazon. And this is a 1-inch barrel. And I'm going to begin to curl from the bottom part until we get to the back top part. So curl everything and I'll be back to update you guys. By the way, for the hair videos, I'm not going to be using any background music because my hair videos keep getting flagged down for copyright reasons. So you guys will only hear my voice. So I'll continue to curl, and I like to curl in different directions, right, left, right, left, right, left. And I always like to work in straight lines. That way we have a nicer finish to the hairstyle. I do leave the hair on the tool for about 5 seconds. It's on my highest setting, so it curls the hair pretty fast. And as you guys can see, I'm not using any hairspray. This is a really relaxed hairstyle, very, very pretty. So I am skipping the hairspray until the very end. Once I'm done with the back, I'm going to move over to the sides and I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to begin to curl away from the face. I want to invite you guys to follow me on TikTok. I do go live on actually pretty often to teach hairstyles, and I do answer live questions. So I'll leave the link right here so you guys can follow me and tune in every time I go live. Now that I'm done curling the hair, I'm going to go ahead and apply some sparkler from Osis. You can also find this on Amazon. I'm going to part the hair the original way that I parted before I began to curl, and I'm going to begin to pin the hair. Now that I'm done at curling the backside, I'm going to move over to the side and I'm going to do one side at a time and I'm going to crisscross the hair. And here is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed. It's super easy to recreate. Drop your comments down below and let me know what you want me to give you a tutorial on next. I wanted to invite you guys to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already, and like this video. And I'll see you guys again on the next tutorial. Ciao!